Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a moist chocolate cake. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I have 1 cup of whole milk here, and then I have 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. I'm going to put this in here and set it aside. You want to do this first so the vinegar has time to make its thing in the milk. This is essentially making buttermilk, but you don't always have buttermilk on hand. So I find it very simple to just add a little bit of vinegar to my whole milk. Now I have a 1/2 cup of sour cream here in my bowl. To that I'm going to go ahead and add 2 egg yolks and just give this a whisk around. My sour cream is good and smooth. I'm going to add the rest of the eggs, and this is 2 whole eggs. So we had 2 yolks as well as 2 whole eggs, and then I have a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, I have 1 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm also going to go ahead and add my milk with the vinegar. Now, when you add your vinegar, it will chunk up the milk a little bit. That is what it's supposed to do. Buttermilk is usually like that unless you blend it out. So that is completely normal. Last but not least, I'm going to add all of my dry ingredients in one go. I've got a 1/2 cup of brown sugar as well as a 1/2 cup of white sugar. In here I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Make sure that you sift all of your dry ingredients before adding them to your mix. You don't want any clumps.
Be a little gentle, cocoa powder loves to splash people. My chocolate cake is all mixed up and I'm ready to pan it. I've got 2 6-inch pans right here, and they've already been greased as well as lined with parchment paper. And I'm just going to divide this evenly amongst both of these pans. These are all ready to go. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these until the toothpick comes out clean. See you in a minute. My cakes are out of the oven and they baked at 350 degrees until a toothpick came out clean. For my oven, that was about 50 minutes. I went ahead and iced my chocolate cakes with a delicious caramel buttercream. If you would like the recipe to that caramel buttercream, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let me know you want the recipe. How delicious does that look? That looks divine. So delicious, so moist, so beautiful. That's delicious. The cake is moist. The buttercream just tops it off. This is a great chocolate cake recipe. It's an amazing base that can go with a lot of things. Whatever icing you want, if you need a chocolate base, a milk chocolate base, this is absolutely the winner for you. And it's super easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like that caramel icing recipe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.